Daman. On the Honda Amazing Drive through Amazing India, this was our next destination. Daman, a union territory, lies at the border of Gujarat. After an amazing morning at the beach, the Amaze headed out of this small, beautiful city towards one state that is making most news nowadays. The Amaze headed out to Gujarat. Vadodara Expressway was the country's first expressway and is so smooth that the Amaze did cover over 100 kilometers on this wonderful expressway with much ease. The economy figure was amazing, and on these long, smooth highways you realize the true potential of the 1.5 ID Tech motor. We were just outside Ahmedabad when the sun started to set. Rajkot was about 200 kilometers away, but this journey was fantastic. In Rajkot, we were greeted by festivities all around. Navratris are very big in Gujarat, and our first night in this state put us to bed on a very pious note. Our next morning in Rajkot was an interesting one. After a quick interview with the Big FM team, we were out on the road again. Road journeys are the best journeys, and this fact was reiterated in this journey. As we were heading towards our destination, just beyond Kishore, we passed through some beautiful countryside views and trees literally forming a tunnel over the road. Beautiful as it was, we continued our journey towards Jamnagar. And a few kilometers ahead lay a sight which left us just dumbfounded. What lay in front of us was a beautiful view of the Arabian Sea.
Today is day number 16th of the Amaze Longest Drive, and also a second day in Gujarat. While we saw a bit of festive mood in Rajkot yesterday for the Navratris, this place called Madhavpur is 3 hours from Rajkot, and it's simply beautiful, it's stunning, it's very amazing actually. No tourists, no locals, and I think we have the whole beach just to us. From here we'll be going towards Dwarka, and finally Jamnagar will be our nice stay.
How we thank the Lord for this amazing journey in an amazing car. Madhavpur is engraved in our hearts and soul. But we have to carry on. So we headed towards Jamnagar, one of the bigger cities in Gujarat, and our halt for the night. Day 3 in Gujarat is something we were looking forward to since the start of the trip. Gujarat is known for a lot of things, but where we were headed to today is clearly one of the most stunning places in this state. We were headed to the Rann of Kutch. Rann of Kutch is a salt marsh located in the Thar Desert. Kilometers of dry, barren land.
We are in the middle of literally nowhere. It's called the Kutch, the Rann. This one is the Chota Rann, and all we have for company is nothing basically but the Amaze. We saw wild asses, we saw the Nilgai, we saw a lot of peacocks, we saw foxes as well, and for a change, Shantanu and I don't mind getting lost because it's an amazing place and we have an amazing car. I think this is the best possible way we could have said goodbye to Gujarat. Kutch nahi dekha, to guys kuch nahi dekha.
Rann of Kutch is spread over a total area of 30,000 square kilometers. And once the Amaze reached there, it became a playground of sorts for it. As we left the little run and headed to our resort, there was literally no road. But the Amaze, still hungover from the run, took it with ease. With smiles on our lips and joys in our heart, day 17 of the Amaze longest drive came to an end. Day 18 was a gazetted holiday and it was the birthday of the father of the nation. Amaze longest drive was driving through the land of Gandhiji and could not exit it without paying its tribute to one of the greatest men in the whole world. So Amaze headed to the Sabarmati Ashram in Ahmedabad. After paying our tribute, we headed towards our next destination. Greeted by lovely highways, there were stretches when the Amaze odometer showed us economy of 23 kilometers to a litre. The road from Chittorgarh to Kota was not just scenic but also one of the best highways to drive on. We must say that the infrastructure in Gujarat is worth a mention. This drive towards Kota had been the longest we had embarked upon since the start. The total distance that we were to cover today was 650 kilometers. And it was only after sunset that we reached Kota. Next morning we headed to the capital city, Delhi again. Road till Delhi was a good highway, and when we entered Delhi we were greeted with the sound of Ravan burning down, the triumph of good over evil. The Amaze was out to triumph over bad roads of Uttar Pradesh next.